How to listen to the Spotify music and also watch the YouTube video at one time. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this multiple things at a time. So let's try watching the Spotify music. So you can either listen to the Spotify music from the Spotify application by logging into your account or also from the website. So I simply open it from the website right here. Let's close this, and then it says me to get the app to listen to the full track. But right now I'm just gonna show you by doing this. So when I open the song right here and I try to watch some of the music videos, any kind of videos on my YouTube, then when I go on the top notification bar, it is off. When I again open it, then the YouTube video will be off. That means we cannot watch the both at a single time. Either it is your application or your website from a single device. Either you can use any other device by playing YouTube video in one and Spotify music in other. Or the next option what you can do is go on the Spotify music on the top three vertical lines. You can simply go there and copy the link by tapping on the share link option and then copy the link. After copying the link, you can simply go on MP3 Juice website on your Google Chrome or any preferred browser and then download the preferred song on your MP3 applications or the app that you listen your music from, but not from the Spotify app. This way you can simply listen to the music as well as the YouTube video, but not from the Spotify. So yes guys, this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in our comment section below.